Now what I want to talk about is how clear bra can cover up superficial scratches in your paint. So if you can see in here, you see that it's got these typical scratches, which are what you would see from washing or dirt and rubbing up against the vehicle. Now on this side, on the other side of this little mini display hood, I've already covered it 50-50 with clear bra and you can't see the scratches. But what I want to show you is real time, so you know it's not a magic trick, of how clear bra covers up scratches. So we take a little bit of clear bra piece here. We're gonna spray our solution, which is how we install it. We're gonna put this on. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be for demonstration. We're gonna squeegee it out. And you'll actually see the film has some slight scratches, and that's from me squeegeeing the film. But with a little bit of heat, those scratches will actually come out. Now, it doesn't look as good as it will once it's still wet underneath that film, but you'll notice how you can see the scratches, they pretty much get filled in. The way that works is the scratches are super shallow and the adhesive on the back of the film sort of fills in those peaks and valleys in the paint.